Oy, hello mga kapor. Welcome sa vlog sa pobreng motorista. Nako sa dagat karon nagsuroy-suroy pero abi ko man og 24 na karon San Juan. Dili man di ay so nag-video na lang pug kuani sa akong kagalingon kay puslan man nga nakaani sa dapin sa dagat. Nalagsara pa ikong ligo sa dagat sa tinuod lang mga kapor. Kay itom na kay kudaan. So bisag mingaw ang tao at least naka lagi ako po i-upload sa inyo. So, tawa lang yung video mga kapor. Salamat sa paglantaw na
And I talked through all of my problems till they started to shrink a bit. Well, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it up. Talk it up. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of place. Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask